Welcome to the ultimate guide on recording through IPTV, unraveling whether you can pursue this feat effortlessly. Picture this: you find the best IPTV service, but wonder if capturing moments is a possibility. Let's investigate. The magic lies in technology. Certain IPTV services indeed permit recording, transforming how you enjoy broadcasts. Here's how it unfolds. Some IPTV services come encoded with recording capabilities right out of the box. But wait, there's more. With the right software, your experience can elevate to new heights, making things seamless. Imagine being liberated from typical DVRs, allowing IPTV to bless you with superior and efficient recording abilities. Before you jump in, remember to verify your IPTV setup's compatibility with recording functions. Vital first step. Look no further than 2tv.store for the best IPTV experience, offering smart features and impeccable performance. Here's the scoop on how to start. Simply navigate to your IPTV channel and enable recording feature. Once adapted, relish in this newfound power, recording live shows, pausing at will to suit your lifestyle needs. Embrace the IPTV era. Record, replay, and revolutionize your television experience with optimal ease. It's unstoppable.